Good morning, everybody. I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend and you're back to school or at home, recharged and ready to start the week. Today's a special week. We have our IB showcase, so your teachers are going to give you more information about that as we go through the day. I'm going to go through the schedule real quick. I'm going to talk about what we're doing, then I will talk about the content. So last week, you should have turned in your vocabulary. It's in assignments. Today, you're going to be turning in your geography stations. Today, we're going to do a lecture on geography as well, and you can see the rest of the week I kind of have highlighted what we're going to do and what's expected of y'all and what we're going to be doing in class. If you notice, I put your test. It's going to be next Tuesday, a week from tomorrow, and we'll review a week from today, and everything here will be on it. Remember, I'm doing screencasts for each one of the content areas. I'll have a screencast for the review. Y'all have been doing an excellent job participating, asking questions, and just in general staying on point. Keep it up for the rest of this unit and do the best you can. So today, you got to turn in your geography stations from last week. There will be an assignment here. I haven't made it yet, and I will walk you through it in the start of class while others start watching the screencast, which will be right here. If you're watching it, you already found it. So we got a couple different things going on, and Mr. O'Neill will be here to help you. Once you turn in your assignment and Mr. O'Neill's taking attendance, you're going to complete these notes using this slideshow. When you make your copy, you're going to notice this is a bit different than normal geography questions. I leveled them, going from 1 to 2, being like we can kind of guess this, maybe get it right. 3 to 4, I got to look really hard. 5 to 6, you got to kind of transfer some knowledge. And 7 to 8, you definitely have to transfer to the unfamiliar. Can you take what you know and apply it to the unfamiliar? Like I said, I'm not going to go over these because these are like little puzzles, little games you got to solve. I'm going to allow you to work in breakout rooms or small groups for 30 minutes only because we will have to end class at the proper time today. I know we have fun doing puzzles. But again, the slideshow is here. I go through and I highlight the major geographic features of the Greek Isles, the Greece's location in the Mediterranean. All of these are important, and I kind of give y'all some pictures. Oh, this one, the Black Sea. Everybody always wonders how it got its name. It is definitely not black. It's crystal clear blue, but there's a lot of salt in it, and not much life lives in the Black Sea. So that's how it kind of got its name. But there are other theories and other mythologies behind how it got its name. Again, I don't want to talk about these too much because you'll be discussing them in the notes today. Athens, the Acropolis, just got some good pictures for y'all to look at, and then again some more maps to kind of find the place and the location and everything today. So again, take your time, be thorough, be thoughtful. I know you can answer these questions. If you've been absent or out, make sure that you look at the schedule, keep up with what you're doing, email Mr. O'Neill, let me know if you need anything, and I will be here to help you guys. I look forward to seeing you in class today, and just please email me and ask questions.